Hi, I hope you're having a very nice holidays and you will have a wonderful 2017. This is a very short video just to explain how to install. It's very simple, but just in case to explain how to install and how to move around with Python. We are going to use a distribution that is called Anaconda from a company that is called Continuum. So you just open a browser like this and then you type Anaconda. Download if you want, and then you find the web. Once you find the web, you will find the distribution that you want. You have distributions for Windows, for OS X and Linux. I have a Mac, so I'm going to use the graphical installer. There are two versions of Python, Python 2 and Python 3. We're going to use the new one, Python 3. Still, there are many libraries that only work with Python 2, with the legacy Python, and this is not our case. The libraries that we're going to use all work in Python 3, so the normal thing now is to use Python 3. The last version of Python 3 is Python 3.5, so let's go for it. You click in the graphical installer, you just download Python 3, it takes almost nothing, and then once you have a typical installation, a typical Mac OS or Windows installation, you go through it and it's very simple. You continue, you accept it. It takes around 15 minutes, that's about it, and it's all it takes. Once you finish installing Python, we need one more thing. We need Bokeh. Bokeh is one of the probably nicest libraries that we have for plotting, graphical displays, and all these visualizations that we use in Python. There are many others like Seaborn, Matplotlib, that's the standard one that we're going to use too, PyPlot, there are many others. I like Bokeh. You just go and Google Bokeh Python and you will find Bokeh, and then you will have the installation. The installation is here. And the way you install Bokeh, it's a little bit different than the other installation for Python. You have to open a terminal, so you open a new window, and because we use the Anaconda, we can say conda install Bokeh. And in my case, the package is already installed. So that's not a problem. It's going to take like 3 or 4 minutes. Once we do that, we have to install the sample data. So again, Bokeh sample data. You download all this data. We're going to use part of it, not everything. And if you want, you can try and you can play with all this sample data. It's from the most typical one, the iris dataset, that it's about flowers, to very interesting data about cities, visions, airports, and stock market. Well, when you have that, that's it. So see you in class. Thanks a lot, and have a wonderful 2017, of course.